Alright, now this is Geometry Module Week 5 Question 8. So there are a few things that you should understand before I start doing this question. First of all, what is a sector of a circle? Now previous question I talked about arc of a circle, sector of a circle. So you know the radius, imagine the radius is r, okay? Imagine the radius is r, and how about the area of this circle, the whole circle? The area of the circle, you know, area of a circle is pi r squared, right? Pi r squared. Then how do you find this area? You know, the angle in between these two radii is 30 theta, okay? So how do you find this? This is a sector now. The colored area is a sector. How do you find the area of this sector is equal to consider the whole square area pi r squared times theta over 360. It's not that hard, okay? So what's the fraction? Okay, so that's how you find the sector. Okay, sector of a circle is equal to pi r squared times theta over 360. Right? So now we'll come to this question. And one more thing, we learned several methods how to find the area of a triangle. Can you remember we learned? So imagine you have this triangle uh, cap A, B, C. So you know how to label these triangles. Whatever in front of capital, like angle A, simple side, simple A, that is the side, and so on. So what is the area of this triangle? If you know this angle C, capital C is area of this triangle is equal to half. These sides are known, A and B. So half A times B times sine C. So the included angle is also known. So this is how you find the area of this triangle. So how do you solve this problem now? The area of the unshaded region, that is this, is 2 centimeters squared. Okay, so this is 2 centimeters squared. Okay, and then um, triangle BOC has a right angle at, so they have given theta, this C, like similar to this. So this is a triangle now. This bit is a triangle, right? Okay, and imagine this radius is not given, R. Okay, some information are given, some so we need to figure out the radius. So you know how to find the sector of a circle. And now we'll see how we find this area, this bit. Okay. So what is the sector of the circle? We don't know, but we have some information, so we'll figure out. Or sector equal to pi r squared times theta is because we don't know r, so we are just going to use the letter r. But we know the angle theta, it's 90 over 360, right? And then we know area of the triangle, area of the triangle OBC is equal to half times r, those are the two sides, and then sine 90, that is the included angle, right? Sine 90, what's the value of sine 90? If you don't know, that's fine, but you can figure it out always from your CAS. Say sine 90. I'm getting a lot of emails at this time. Sine 90 is equal to 1. Okay. So area of this triangle is equal to half r squared. Right. And we can simplify this little bit more. This is pi r over 4. Okay, and then but they have given this. Okay, so how do you find that? How do you find this is you need to subtract the value of you need to subtract the value of the area of triangle from the sector OBC. So if you subtract, so you know this is the sector OBC and this is the triangle OBC. So if you subtract this bit from this whole thing, you will get that purple maroon color part. So how do you find that? Is pi r squared over 4, you take away half r squared, and this should be equal to 2 centimeters squared. So we'll figure out, so we can use the CAS calculator to solve this. Okay, so get the CAS calculator, and then write and solve 2 is equal to pi, we know that value, pi r we don't know, r squared over 4, that is the sector area of the sector, and you subtract the area of the triangle, that is r squared over 2, and you need to solve for r. So r is equal to 2.64722. We'll see whether we have the answer here. 2. Where is the answer? 2.6. Yes, so the answer is D. Okay, so closest to 2.6.